Hey, hello YouTube, what's up everyone? We're back with another video. Time to do more progressive stuff with my time.
I have a bomb.
Well, as you can see, Zoom is pretty, I have these normies as my friends, unfortunately. Look at them.
Now at least.
Okay. Don't blow up children. I mean, don't blow.
Children are in the Empire State Building.
No, I meant to say don't blow up buildings, children, but that. Okay. Okay, that's a fail. That's a fail. But okay, 43 seconds wasted.
Abdul, you didn't tell me about herpes. What?
I never said that. So this is what I have to deal with on the daily. Well, every other day. Last video. Oh my god.
Once a week, Bago. I don't know the relationship you think the three of us have. I don't have.
Well, anyways, guys, last week we went over the monitors. We went over these monitors. I made more of a mess, and there's also a TV over there. I made a TV. There's a TV over there that is in the living room. But yeah, last week we just went over these monitors, these two. And then what I had over here. Don't mind the mail. Don't mind any of this. It's a mess. But just today, man, where is it? I misplaced it. Okay. My Western Digital 500 gigabyte drive just came in. Ah! No! 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 It fell! Please don't be broken. Oh. God. Okay, whatever. Anyways, now we're gonna cut to the next part where I go more in depth about the PC. It's not broken, for God's sake. I don't think so. I didn't try it yet. Okay, guys, we're gonna just move to the next part of the stuff that we're going over. Okay, so now we are gonna we'll go over me installing the oops, almost dropped my phone. That's not great. We're gonna go over me installing this SSD. So I'm gonna put it here for a second. Little child, rest. Okay. And also another thing that came in today from Amazon was this 24 pin to 8 pin adapter. If you look here, this is the 24 pin right here. That's what's supposed to plug into the motherboard, but this is an old motherboard since this is a Dell Optiplex. So I had to get a converter for 24 pin to 8 pin, which is what this takes. And now the motherboard is connected. I have the CPU out right now. It's over here, and the fan is right there. I'm gonna clean those, and then thermal paste is coming on Friday, and so is the flash drive. So.
Content creator.
Yeah, I am a content creator. Today what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna install the SSD, and that's pretty much it. And then on Friday, when the thermal paste and the flash drive come in, then I can put on the thermal paste, boot it on, and then try to install Windows if it even turns on in the first place. We're gonna have to see. But yeah, so here we go. We're gonna put in the SSD. First I'll have to figure out how to put in the SSD. So I'm just gonna watch a YouTube video real quick. Be right back in like 2 seconds. Okay, so I just finished watching the video, and pretty much all I need to do is I need to connect the SATA cable to this right here. Oh, it's the other way. You see the pins on the left? I need to connect the SATA cable to that, and I need to connect the, I forgot what the name of this cable is, but I need to connect it to this smaller one on the right. So those SATA cables are, if you look here, this is one of those. This is one of those. I could just plug it into that, but I also have several others up here like this. So I just need to pick a good spot for it. I think that this spot on the bottom here would be good, so I'll just put it there. I don't have any screws for it, so that's a problem. I won't be able to screw it in. If I had tape, I could like tape it to like back here. But I don't have. Wait, I could go look for tape actually.
Where do you keep your tape?
Yeah. Oh wait, there's tape right there. You guys probably saw that, but I didn't because I'm blind. Yeah. So there's tape right here. I might just tape the SSD onto, like, the back here, down there,
Just, like, wirelessly transfer
and
on?
then yeah. I'm gonna do that right now. It's hard to do it while holding my phone, but like, I mean, hey, the struggle's real. Okay. So this guy right here, blank screen, is playing Apex. This other guy right here, camera on, is playing on his Nintendo. I don't know what he's playing.
I'm not playing anything on my Nintendo.
What are you playing then, man?
Attentively listening.
Okay. Well, that's very nice. See, guys, he's a fan, just like you guys, you know. But yeah. So yeah.
But now I could do it Sunday.
It's your choice, Ben. Oh yeah, if I didn't tell you guys, we have a robotics club, so Robotech, nice. Yeah.
Well, I'm gonna message the wild cards again that were supposed to come last time, but they didn't come.
Well, that sounds pretty tough, doesn't it?
And like, I don't know. Hammer, who have you told about the club? Absolutely no one. A shame that you're in a club with Abdul.
LOL.
Yeah, I get the feeling. I don't mention him.
Wow. Yo, you guys hear this hate?
Irony, mate.
I hate you guys. You bully me.
Well, Hamlet didn't do anything. And I know I'm defending Hamlet here, which I don't like doing.
So Ben, you're telling me I should just hate you then?
Yes. Yeah, probably.
Okay.
You know,
Fine.
I'm gonna recruit. I'll do it today.
If that is what you want, that is what I shall do. If you look over here, I am trying to make this double-sided tape. And I kind of failed on the first try. Yeah. Look, it's hard to do with one hand. Okay, I'll just do it right now. Okay, so as you can see, this is obviously not laying down like it was before. It's been about like 30 minutes since the last clip. All I did was I was originally planning to put the SSD back here. You know, there it would be cool, like just put it on tape over there. But the thing is that these wires, like, they take up a bit of space, so you can't ever have it like flush on the back of the thing. So that couldn't happen. So can you guys spot where the SSD is? I'm gonna just answer that for you. No, because it is down here. I just put it over here. Great. I took away this orange cable from the disk drive, which is this. I took away this orange cable and I put it into the SSD because I didn't know that we needed this cable. Honestly, I'm not even gonna use the disk drive because nobody uses that anymore, to be honest. And yeah, that's everything. And then all I did after that was I just checked the wires, put everything that I wasn't using up there, checked for the plug-in for everything. This 8-pin, like I said, that's in. This 6-pin for the graphics card, making sure that it's plugged into the PCIe slot well, screwed in well, as you can see over here. And then I also put this front panel back on, and that is all I did. Yeah. So how's it looking? I know, pretty bad. Okay, don't blame my cable management. Like I said, in my defense, there is no back plate to this case. If I had a different case and I could put, like, run the wires through the back or something like that, but I don't. So that's unfortunately not an option. Honestly, this bottom space right here would be cool, but there's fans over here and I don't want to block their circulation, so, and the airflow. I'm not gonna risk blocking that. So yeah, that is it.
You're gonna have to stuff.
Okay, well that's what we're ending it with, ladies and gentlemen. But yeah, so thank you for watching. If you liked, of course, like and subscribe if you want. That is your choice, honestly. If you want to, you want to. If you don't want to, you don't want to. You don't have to, but hey. I also, I forgot to show this. I should have recorded this, but I tested out this this mouse and keyboard. Once the whole thing's over, I will do a separate video on them. But yeah, so I'll post this today, and this is where I install the SSD. But on Friday, I'll make another video, and that's when I put in, when I take this excess thermal paste off of these things, the CPU and the fan, and then I put new thermal paste on it, and then I put it back in the socket. Once I do that, the thing's over. I just turn on the computer, connect it to these monitors, and well, I see where it goes. Yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you later.